Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this pre-text cashier toy. I bought this for my daughter and she has absolutely loved it. It does have a little basket here. It makes it really like a realistic experience for them to be a little store cashier. It does have this little conveyor belt that you can move along with these little side pieces here. It does have a little microphone that you can speak into and the speaker blares it out. It has this digital screen where you can use the calculator buttons and it types it up for you. The drawer does open. You just push this little button here. It comes with play coins, and then it also comes with a pretend little credit card that they can swipe really easily right here, which is so cute. It does come with this little play money, and then it also has a little key so you can lock your little drawer when you want to. It has this little scanner right here also, so they can scan their items. It's just been so cute for my daughter. And then I also think it's really great because it'll help teach them numbers. It'll help teach them addition and subtraction and just kind of get their little minds going. My kids love to play store. They love to play anything like that. So this has just been perfect for them. It has held up so well. We probably had it for 5 or 6 months. There's been no damage. It just takes AAA batteries, so it's really easy to use. And they have absolutely loved it. This is one of my daughter's favorite toys ever. And I just think it is adorable and educational. So if you have, a daughter or maybe a granddaughter or just some small little girl in your life that would love to play store and loves to play house, things like that, imaginative play, I think this is a perfect product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.